Hey, how's it going? Dave 2D here. So these are some new wireless earphones from OnePlus, the Bullets Wireless. And the short and sweet of it is this: they are amazing headphones for the price. For 70 bucks, they are literally the best wireless earphones I've used. Now, right off the rip, the unboxing experience isn't amazing. I've seen better, but product packaging isn't what I'm here for, right? So the build quality, it's really good for the price. The buds themselves are milled aluminum. They're lightweight, but they feel solid. The cabling feels kind of average. I would have liked like a flat ribbon cable. Those tend to wear better over time, but the overall build quality is good. It also comes with 3 ear hooks and 3 ear tips. The medium size, like the one that comes installed right off the factory, fit me very comfortably, particularly the hooks. They just fit my ear really well. The sound quality is also quite good, and this is something that's difficult to showcase in a video, and there's obviously some subjectivity to this, but I think for most people, they'll enjoy the sound quality from this, particularly if your device supports AptX. You get crisp treble and very good bass. Not like earth-shattering bass, but for $70, these sound deeper than I thought they would go. Now, there's a marketing term that OnePlus is throwing around for these Bullets Wireless called energy tubes, and those are supposed to be structures built into these earphones that help to reduce the audio distortion. And like, I don't know how much the energy tubes actually play a role in it. They sound clean, very clean, but I don't know. Are those energy tubes actually doing anything? I can't tell you, but it is a pretty cool sounding term. Okay, battery life on these are great. So 10 minutes of charging gets you like 65% of battery. Full top off takes around 30 minutes, maybe a little bit less. And this is with the regular charger. You don't need the dash charger or anything like that to get those numbers. And battery life, I'm getting around 7.5 hours. So this is with the volume at around 60%. If you're going running and you need to crank it up, if you're in like high traffic or something like that, it's gonna be reduced, but the 8 hours estimated battery life, I'd say, is reasonably accurate, and I really like the USB-C charging. It just brings you one step closer to being free of micro USB, which I'm pretty sick of in 2018. Okay, other features. The button, like the play pause button, if you long press it, it'll launch Google Assistant, and I thought it would be cool, but there's too much of a delay. Like when you press it, it takes about a second, maybe a second and a half before you'll actually hear that tone. So it's cool and usable if you need, but I wouldn't consider it to be like a game changer or anything. And if you're connected to an iPhone, it'll launch Siri instead of the Google Assistant. So the microphone is good. I made a few calls with it and everyone said it sounded clean. It might even sound better than your phone's built-in mic, depending on the phone that you have. The earbuds are magnetic, and the magnetic interaction between the two sides can pause and unpause music. It'll pause music on any phone, like Pixel 2 XL, iPhone 10, doesn't matter what you're using. If those buds snap together, it'll pause the music, but resuming music is different. It does need to be the OnePlus 5 or the OnePlus 6. And it may not sound like a killer feature, but it's just something that I really enjoy. The ability to just pause your music when you clip your earbuds together. So I like these wireless earphones way better than I thought I would, and I actually like them better than basically any other wireless earphones that I've used. So I like them more than the Jaybird Freedoms, I like them more than my previous top pick, the Plantronics Backbeat Fit, and I definitely like them more than the Beats X from Apple. So the Beats X wireless earphones have a lot in common with the Bullets wireless earphones. I'm just gonna be straight up, I think that OnePlus ripped off this design from the Beats X to the point where just there's so much similarity in function, in design, to the control mechanism. That being said, these are $100. These are $70, like the Bullets Wireless are cheaper, but these are better in every conceivable way. It's got better build quality, it's got the magnetic pause, it doesn't require a proprietary lightning cable, it just doesn't have a pretty box when you unbox it, and it also only comes in this black and red color, whereas the Beats X comes in a whole bunch of colors. So the price is what is probably the most attractive thing about the Bullets Wireless. For $70, you're getting a product that is comparable to devices that are double the price, if not more. And the main thing is I'm not seeing any $70 wireless earphones that are better than these. So there are a few things that I don't love about it. I wish the charging port was covered, like when you're running and you're sweating, that port is just exposed, so I don't know how that'll hold up over time. The other thing I don't love is the storage pouch. Like, it's cool, it's soft rubber, and it's got a magnetic closing system, but I just find it difficult to stuff everything in there. I feel like I'm just like bending things in ways that they shouldn't be bent, and sometimes the magnets snap together where you kind of don't want them to. The other thing is availability. So every other earphone that I've mentioned in this video is readily available on Amazon for basically next day delivery. The Bullets Wireless is only available from OnePlus, so it's not as readily available or easily returned if you don't end up liking them. But those negatives aside, I feel like these are really, really good earphones for the money. Put it this way, I've been using these, the Backbeat Fit, as my go-to earphones for like 3.5 years, and I've always been looking for something to replace them. I've tried so many things, always go back to these, but I finally found something that I actually like more than the Backbeat Fit, and they're $70 instead of like 120 bucks. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. See you guys next time.